for now. Make sure the sound's off. Alright, Corey's in it. Is he Y or is it Y? Overbay. There he is. John Ketters. Oh wait, this is the wrong one. Hold on a minute. I'm gonna have to reprint that. Alright. Let me go back here. How you doing, Paul? Monday night. Dean is in it. Bruce has a ton. Adam Neff has one. Gabe's in it. Steve Kane. Alright, I did go to the card shop distributor today. I got another case of Bowman's Best. Full case. That's coming. I'm thinking I'm going to try to get that up tonight yet. Maybe in an hour. We'll see how quick I can get through this and move on. I might be a little later than that. Might go at like 10 EST time. So those of you in the West, well, it'll be like normal time for you. I got a quarter case of Bowman Draft Jumbo Hobby because it is just getting a ridiculous price. So I just grabbed what I could just to keep it going. If we have to do it a quarter case at a time, we'll do that. No big deal. And I got Star Wars fans. I got Masterwork. I got a case of that. That's pretty cool stuff. Really cool stuff if you're into entertainment cards. So, yeah, for now, that's about what I have so far. So, that's what's coming. We got 2 baseball and a Justin Large. You have the Oakland A's. So, you got, what's his name? Soderstrom. I'm just going through the list, tagging people. And it's kind of hard to do because they're there. It's not like a normal one. Brian's in it. James Leary, Dennis Burnham. Oop. Yeah, and there's nothing coming out like next week either. Like I was looking at GTS today, and it's just, I guess we're just going to keep pounding what we can get. Dean's in it. Dave Smallcombe, there you go. Alright. Oops, I spelled it wrong. I know Tyler's grabbing some football and some, yeah, I think he's just doing football. So he will, yeah, so he'll be, you'll see some stuff of his coming up too. We'll keep it going. You know me, I'll keep moving with it. If you go through it quick enough, I'll go get more. It's no big deal. Alright, sleeves are out. Top loaders are ready. Team-wise, let me go through them. Scott Boss got the Mariners. Shannon Graver, the Rangers. Nadeem Abu-Hala got the Cardinals. Adam Neff, the Cubs. Gabe got the Dodgers. Bruce Evans, the Nats. Steve Kane, the Brewers. Dave Tosto, the Royals. Morgan Yee got the Diamondbacks. Bruce Evans got the Yankees. Aaron Pold got the Astros. Hey, James, how you doing? Gabe got the Twins. Kevin Hamilton, the Indians. Adam Neff, the Pirates. Dave Tosto got the Rays. Bruce Evans got the Braves. Paul Zenbauer got the Angels. James Messier got the Marlins. Brian Cook, the Red Sox. James Leary, the Blue Jays. Dennis Burnham, the Giants. Corey Carell, the Mets. Bruce Evans, the White Sox. Justin Large got the Athletics. Nadeem Abu-Hala got the Orioles. Nice one there. James Messier grabbed the Tigers. That's awesome. Rockies, another good one, went to Bruce Evans. Padres, Bruce Evans. Reds, Paul Zenbauer. And Dave Smallcombe got the Phillies. So that is how it played out in the random. I didn't see any trades go down. Let's see what we end up pulling. First edition's a little different, I think. I think you're more after, I don't know if you're after parallels or what. So I guess we'll find out. Hey, Christopher, how you doing, Chris? All right. Yeah, this stuff just started skyrocketing in price, so I grabbed it right before it did. But these are pretty cool. They have the little first edition insignias on each card. I'll show you here if you haven't seen it. There's 10 cards per pack, 24 packs. All cards ship. So whatever card you get, and I will send to you. Like I haven't packed enough Bowman draft this year, right? All right. All right, here we go. First pack. I'll try to rattle off whoever has what. Okay. Alika Williams, first Bowman. See how they have a little first edition? If you're not used to this type of product, that's just a little different. Josh Young. There's Xavier Edwards of the Rays. I think there's 12 of these per box in this. And they got the little first edition on them. So I'll sleeve these because I know there's numbered cards too, like you would get in normal Bowman draft, like the different colors. Freeman, Cotton, there's a Foscue, Groshans, Miller, Cool. Second pack. Warren, there's Ballmer. Here comes a blue. We've got Robert Hassel. There you go. Not a bad one. And that looks like it might be, maybe, is that an SP? Because I don't remember him looking like that. That's numbered 74 out of 150. First edition blue. That is cool. Nice hit for Bruce Evans. There you go. And then we've got Rollison, Dolo, Lacey, Beater, DeLoach, Boyle, and Westberg. It's only one box, so you're gonna have to bear with me. I'll say the names just so it's easy to see. We got Palmer, Zamora. We got a Cole Henry from the Nationals, blue foil. And that's going to be Bruce Evans as well. He has the Nats. First edition. That little first edition. It's a nice little thing for you. Selling them wise. Riley Green, O'Neal Cruz, Reese Hines, Goss, Canario, Carter, Ciani. Yeah, I don't think they're guaranteed, but I think, like, you can get a decent one out of it. I think. We got, what? Orange foil coming up. Luke Little. Jay Groom, and we've got Orange Austin Hendrick of the Reds. Wow, nice Reds hit. Who has the Reds? This one's numbered 9 out of 25. And that's going to Paul. There you go, Paul. You got an orange Austin Hendrick, numbered to 25. Sweet. So Hassel and Hendrick, nice hits. There you go. Then we have Corey Lee, Freeman, Santos, Daniels. Yeah, that's a sweet hit for you. That's awesome. Drohan, Gorman, and Luciano. Alright, what else we got here? Oh, looks like a blue. Ragsdale from the Phillies. Chamberlain. Barnhart from the Rays, blue foil. I'm just sleeving them all because whatever. It's one box. There you go. Barnhart. And Duran, Cotton. There's Stott from the Phillies. Powell. There's a Nick York first edition. Reed Detmers. McConnell. Alright, got blue again. Josh Young. Wynn. Van Eck of the Blue Jays. Oh, who had the Rays anyway? I'm sorry. Rays was... Dave got that last one, the Barnhart. And then the Blue Jays would be... Of course I lose them. There they are. No, that's the Rays. Oh, James Leary gets this one. Blue Jays. CJ Van Eck. Okay. I might be able to get more of this too. So if you like it, let me know. And I can feed you this stuff just to get you some more of it without breaking the bank. There's a Poussin first Bowman. Or not, first edition, I'm sorry. Hall, Christian Robinson. Okay, what else? You got Bailey, Rutherford, McClanahan, Dyer, Tolentino, Jarvis, Blazinski, Spino, Andrew Vaughn, and Connor Phillips in that pack. Nothing special. Other than you get the first Bowmans. And if they turn into something big, you get them. Young, Drew Romo, and there's Blomgren from the Rockies. Blue foil. There you go. And the Rockies is Bruce Evans. We got Roby, Texas. There's Owen Casey, Mitchell Parker. There's Zach Veen. I'll sleeve that guy. Schuster, Gorman, and Espino. Yeah, there's certain ones you just do. Oh, it's a first edition, first Bowman. There you go. You got a Zach Veen. Nice to get like an orange. Oh, here's a gold. Uh-oh, who's this? There's Jarvis, Burns, Ethan Hankins, Indians. Who's got the Indians? That would be Kevin Hamilton. 30 out of 75. Gold first edition. Getting some sweet numbered cards, I'll tell you what. There you go. Nice and clean. We got Wynn, Hunter Green, Isaiah Green, Foscue again, Tyler Brown, Rutledge, and Strider from the Braves. Ronaldo Hernandez, Swaggerty, and then we got Carraway from the Cubs, blue foil. Alright, there you go. And then we go to Roby, Texas Fat, Wadzinski, Deloach. There's another Zach Veen. And Bitsko and Infante. There you go. It'd be something if we pulled like a ridiculous hit out of this, like absolutely. I don't know what it is about one box breaks, but I usually do all right with them. Burleson, Carter. There's Lacey, blue parallel for the Royals. Not a bad Royals hit. Going to Dave Tosto. Am I right? Yes. We got a Lacey, blue foil. Torkelson, not yet. We're getting there. Got a couple Veens. I did see Foscue a couple times. Cotton, Cantillo. There's O'Neill Cruz, Pirates, McCambly, Nwogu, Seymour, and Freddie Zamora, Brewers. Not even halfway, and we already have some decent. There's Hendrick, first Bowman, Aker, Landon Knack from the Dodgers. I think that's Gabe, right? Yep. So you got a first edition, first Bowman of Landon Knack. Vaco, Shortridge. There's Isaiah Green again. He's not bad for the Mets. Jared Jones, Vukovic, Bonin, and Hankins. I see a name. There's Calabrese, Casey. There is Levi Prater, is it? Prater, maybe, from the Cardinals. And the Cardinals went to Nadeem, got them, so that's his card. And then we have Robinson, Shea Langeliers, Ragsdale, Priester, Miller, Ed Howard, and Torkelson. There you go. One of each. This is the Cub guy you want, for sure. Who's got the Cubs in this? Adam Neff. So you got a first edition, first Bowman of Ed Howard. And James gets his first Torkelson showing. There you go. I'll take the time to sleeve them because they are two players you want. All right, here we go. Second half. All right, Duran, Toglia. There's Isbell from Kansas City. That is a blue foil card. Another one for Dave Tosto. You are welcome. Cower. Carson Tucker's not bad for the Indians. Jared Jones, Caraway, Ciani, Powell, Lodolo. I think Lodolo was 7th last year or in the draft or something like that for the Reds. I don't know how he played this past year. I didn't watch much. No fans there, kind of put the damper on it. Cruz and Hines, and we got Josh Young from the Rangers. And the Rangers is going to be going to, where is it? Top. Shannon Graver gets him. I think we have 10 packs left. Haven't seen some color yet other than these blue. I mean, we have, but not recently. Sassoni, Klein, Detmers, Savali, Ashby, Groom, Sagis. Nwogu, there's the blue. Corbin Carroll, and we have Blade from the Marlins. There you go. 50 out of 150. Good thing you held on to him. A blue Blade, first edition. There you go. Nice card. And that's James, right? Yep. You got Bobby Miller, Criswell, Anthony Volpe, Jared Jones, Ben Hernandez, Logan Allen, and Michael Toglia. Another blue one coming. There's a Maya, Solari, Ian Bedell of the Cardinals. That's the second Cardinals one I've seen. Going to Nadeem. Yeah, Prater and Bedell. There you go. And there is Hancock from Seattle. Daniels, Xavier Edwards, Lofton, Cotton, Dingler, and Swaggerty. Rodriguez, Dyer. There is Bailey Horn of the White Sox. White Sox showing their face. And that is going to be... Where are they? Red Sox. I see Sox. That's going to be Bruce Evans with the White Sox. Blakely Angels, Williams, Rays, Casey Schmidt, Ethan Hankins, Duran, Luciano, and Garcia. Getting down to it. We got 5 left. What are we going to get? We did get an orange. We got a gold. Cantrell, Westberg, Torkelson, blue. There you go. First edition. Nice. There you go, James. Awesome. I think that's the first color I've pulled of him. No, I did get a blue numbered card before. I have not gotten his autograph yet this year. He'll avoid me, and eventually I'll get him. There's another Tucker, Alec Thomas, Hence, Daniels, Cower, Britton, and Martin. I pulled Bobby Witt's auto in Bowman's Best the other night. That was pretty sweet. There's a Hassel. Schmidt. Nice Mitchell hit for the Brewers. He's the one you want for the Brewers. 138 out of 150. Who's got the Brewers? Steve Kane. There you go, bud. You got a Garrett Mitchell, blue. 138 out of 150. Yeah, I got his autograph I got it in Bowman's Best, and I got it in Bowman's Draft a couple times. Gorman. There's a Dominguez. You know what? I'll sleeve him too. Why not? It's a first edition. Dominguez for the Yankees. That's going to Bruce. And we got Rodriguez, Bailey, Lacey, McMahon, and Nick Gonzalez, who I think is the name for the Pirates. 4 left. What are we going to get? Oh, yeah, remember that? Yeah, that was like, what, a 1 box or 2 box? That was crazy. Back to back. One was, yeah, I think they were just the regular ones, but I know I pulled an orange one. Riley Green, Kofi. There is Schuster for the Braves, picking one up. And that is Bruce Evans getting that one. Burns, Bishop, Drew Romo, Peraza, Santos, Brennan Davis, Mike Ciani. And we're down to 3 left. Alright, we have Nicholas, Bobby Miller. There's Zach Daniels, the Houston Astros. Pick one up. What are we looking at? Who's got the Astros in this? I'm so used to Travis taking them. Who's got them? Aaron Pold got that one. Zach Daniels. There's Canario. There's Crochet. That's the one you want for the White Sox. Hose, Bowenke, Lofton, and Horn. Gold. Good. I'm going to make that the last card. How about that? Schwinn, Encarnacion, Groshans, Henry, Keith, Boyle, Liberator, Hoffman, Grayson Rodriguez, and we have a gold. Oh, wow. There you go. Ace. Holy crap. 46 out of 75. There's your hit. Right? Justin Large. Got a Tyler Soderstrom, 46 out of 75 gold. Nice hit. We got some nice numbered hits out of this. Wow. Justin Large. Waiting until 2 packs to go and then getting that. That's sweet. You were starting to lose it. That's about the time you start shaking around the second to last box. Give me my cards. I do it too. I'm in them every once in a while, and I'm like, geez, oh man. And we got a Haskin for the Orioles. That one's 108 out of 150. Blue. All right. Yeah, we got some nice ones out of that. There's definitely some nice ones. C.J. Abrams, Franklin V, DL Hall, Beatty, Toglia, Blade, and Holsizer. So all these will ship. And hit-wise, we got Haskin from the Orioles, number to 150, blue. Sick gold Soderstrom, number to 75. Gold foil, look at that bad boy. That's a nice one. Zach Daniels, Houston, blue parallel, blue foil. Jared Schuster, Braves. A Dominguez I just sleeved because it's the first edition. Garrett Mitchell, blue, number to 150 for the Brewers. There's Torkelson. Blue parallel, that's a nice one. We got Horn from the White Sox. We got Bedell from the Cardinals. J.J. Blade from the Marlins, number to 150. That was Josh Young, number to the Rangers. Isbell, Kansas City. There's a Torkelson. There is an Ed Howard. Prater, is it? St. Louis. Knack for the Dodgers. Lacey for Kansas City. I would take that card. There's a Zach Veen. Caraway from the Cubs. We have a gold Ethan Hankins for Cleveland, number 75. A nice looking card. There's a Zach Veen. Blomgren, Rockies. And we had Van Eck for the Blue Jays. Barnhart for the Rays. This sick hit, Austin Hendrick, number to 25. Orange. 9 out of 25 for the Reds. That's a beauty. Henry for the Nats. Robert Hassel, number to 150 for the Padres. Nice one there, too. And Xavier Edwards. That's how it played out for this one boxer. So, some nice ones there. Soderstrom. Torkelson. Hendrick. And Hassel are probably your 4 big hits right there. Nice. Awesome. Look for more. Thank you again. Bowman's Best. I'm going to probably start in about an hour. Might be, yeah, let's call it. I'll try to get it by 10. I think to schedule it, I might have to physically schedule it. Yeah, that was cool. Yeah, you got a couple Torkelsons. That's awesome. So, cool. Yeah, look for that, and we'll get that next one going, and yeah, we'll go from there. Appreciate it again. Thank you very much. You guys have a great night. Enjoy your week.